Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about what is Meta AI on Facebook and Messenger. So basically Facebook and Messenger has come up with their latest new feature which is a Meta AI chat heads, which means you can use Meta AI chat heads in your chats and you can simply ask any questions from Meta AI. Even you can generate uh, photos from using Meta AI. So how you can simply use that Meta AI? As you can see, I have recently used that feature. You can simply ask any question about Facebook posts, any messages, and if you want to get anything information about WhatsApp or Facebook, if you want to get the detail about a post on Facebook, then you can simply click on that post, and after that, Meta AI will help you about getting the information about that post, whether it is real or fake. So in this way, you can simply use Meta AI on Facebook and Messenger without any problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.